Hello, in this video we are going to discuss the second part of the solution of reasoning section of NCHMCT 2015 paper. So we'll start from question number 45. So 45 to 47. Now we need to choose from the given four diagrams. See, these are the four diagrams that are given to us. So we need to choose from them. This is diagram number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The one that best illustrates a relationship among the three given classes in the equations below. So first, eatables, chicken and fish. Now see, chicken and fish are two different things. Fish is totally different from chicken, but then both are eatables. Fine. So this will be the diagram for this particular question. For question number 45, the correct answer is option 2. Fine. Now students, teachers and wives. Now see, a student, a teacher can be a student, right? एक टीचर है, हो सकता है वो कोई और चीज की स्टडी कर रहे हो, या इनफैक्ट वी कैन टेक एन एग्जांपल वेयर द टीचर themselves are preparing for, they are going for higher studies, they are preparing for a PhD or MTech or anything like that. So in those cases teacher student भी होते हैं, right? And teachers can be female also, they can be wives also. Fine. So there must be an intersection of all the three. So the best diagram to depict this relationship would be option number 4, this one. Fine. क्योंकि कोई wife है वो teacher भी हो सकती है और वो student भी हो सकती है. And as I've already given you the example कि teacher भी student हो सकते हैं. Fine. Now let's move to the next relationship. Sweet, rasgulla and shirt. Now shirt is totally different and rasgulla is a type of sweet that comes under the category of sweet. So the correct option will be this one, option number 3. Fine. So these were the easy questions. Fine. Now let's move to the relationship questions again. These are the analogous pair. We need to find the same relationship. So in question number 48, it is given that FG, there is a relationship between FG and BC. We need to find the same relationship between RI and one pair that we need to find out. Now let us first of all do one thing. मैं इनको इनके alphabetical position पे जो आते हैं वो number से लिख लेता हूँ. F comes at position number 6, G at 7, B at 2, C at 3. Fine. R comes at position number 18 and I comes at 9. Now if we see कि F से B आने का क्या logic है? It is -4 and G से C आने का logic again is -4. So if I subtract 4 from 18, that gives me 14 and 14 is position of letter N. 9 में से यदि हम -4 करते हैं तो that gives us 5, which is the position of letter E. So the correct answer is NE. Fine. This was the logic of question number 48. Now let's move to question number 49. EDC exhibits some relationship with RQP. We need to check for the same relationship that MLK relates to, right? Now E is 5, D is 4, C is 3, R is 18, Q is 17, P is 16. So we can easily see यहाँ पे -1 -1 -1 हो रहा है, यहाँ भी -1 -1 हो रहा है. Now M is position number 13, L is 12 and K is 11. Now we need to find an option जहाँ पर ये relationship exhibit हो रहा हो -1 -1 का. Now in first option it is +1, X plus 1 is Y plus 1 is Z. So this cannot be our answer. P, Q, R. Now again this is the logic of +1 only. So this also cannot be our answer. Now Z, X, Y. Here it is -1 logic. So this possibly can be our answer. And NOP again is in increasing order. So ये भी answer नहीं हो सकता है. The correct answer is option C, that is Z, Y and X. Fine. Now further, question number 50. So L, O. So we need to find the relationship of D with some letter, that the same relationship that L has with O. The position of L is here, this is 12 and O is 15. So basically there is a logic behind this. O is 12th letter from the back side. If we consider Z as 1, Y as 2 and so on, that means we are looking the alphabet series in reverse order. So you will find that O is 12th letter from the back. And if we find the position of O from initial alphabet series, so it is position number 15. So basically ये जो भी exhibit करते हैं, for example A is first letter, Z is the last letter. तो इनका sum you will see will be 27. A 1 पे आता है, Z 26 पे आता है, तो sum will be 27. B is second and Y is second from the last. तो इन दोनों का sum भी 27 होगा. Fine. C is third and X is 24. That is third from the last. तो इन दोनों का sum भी 27 होगा. So the same logic is applicable over here also. L and O, the sum is 27. So D is 4. So here it must be 23 to make the sum as 27. So the answer is W. In fact, W is 23, right? So option A is the correct one. Now the last question, which is very good question. This is the best question you can say in the reasoning section of this paper. The logic is a bit difficult. That's why. Now see, the question is T, Z and W, and 28 is given in the answer. So T, Z, W, and here it is given as 28. We need to find the same relationship of Q, Y, S with some number. Now see, if we check for the position of T, this is 20, Z is 26, and W is 23. But if we check, if we subtract all these numbers from 27, so we will get 7, 1, and 4. Now 7 into 1 into 4 is 28. Now position of Q is 17, that of Y is 25, and S is 19. So if we subtract these positions from 27, we'll get 10 and 12. Fine. If we subtract 25 from 27, we will get 2. And here 27 minus 19 is 8. So 10 into 2 is 20 into 8 is 160. So this was the logic of this particular question, and this is a really good question. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, now based on visual reasoning. Now this is an easy one. Now see here, यहाँ पे कितना, if I consider this length to be A, पूरी लेंथ को हम A कंसीडर करते हैं, तो फर्स्ट डायग्राम में A/2 की लेंथ माइनस हुई है. फिर सेकंड डायग्राम में यू विल सी कि टोटल इतनी लेंथ माइनस हुई है, व्हिच इज बेसिकली A. नाउ इन थर्ड डायग्राम यू विल सी यहां से लेकर एंड यहां तक की, व्हिच इज 3A/2 लेंथ माइनस हुई है. तो बेसिकली ये लेंथ इंक्रीजिंग वे में सब्ट्रैक्ट होते जा रही है. तो इन द फोर्थ डायग्राम हमने कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है, हमने ये पूरा लेंथ सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, राइट. ये पूरा लेंथ सब्ट्रैक्ट करके दिस इज 1 एंड एक ये भी सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. तो देखिए यहाँ पे 1.5 ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ था, यहाँ पे 2 ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, 1 एंड 2. अब इस डायग्राम में से कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए, 2.5 टाइम्स द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड. तो 2.5 हम माइनस करेंगे तो ये साइड पूरा चल जाएगा, ये साइड पूरा चल जाएगा, और ये साइड भी हाफ चल जाएगा. So option A will remain. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Okay, next question. This is an easy one. So single triangle is there, then one triangle to the left, then one triangle to the right, then combined figure. So two triangles to the left. So in the next diagram, two triangle must be to the right hand side of this figure. Option B is the one which satisfies this condition. So this was an easy one. So answer is option B. Next question. Here some figure values are missing. So here it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are in the first. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are here. ये question में missing था, right? Now this is again very question. Here we have 7 circles. Here we have 6 circles. Here we have 5 circles. Then 4 circles. Then 3 circles. And their position is also changing. So here we must have 2 circles. That too on the bottom side. Now let us check for the square as well. Here we have 2 squares, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Now here we must have 7 squares. So only option D is the one which is satisfying this condition. Fine. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. In a certain code, this is the tree. This is the tree. And this phrase is coded as 2153. जब हम इस तरह के क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो we need to understand that this is not in the ordered form. For example, जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ that is this का code is 2, इसका code is 1. इस तरह से ये नहीं होता है. This is in random form, right? The green tree is written as 5, 7 and 3. Now tree of life is written as 3, 0 and 9. We need to find the symbol for D. Now see, first of all, tree is present in phase number 3, and tree is also present in phase number 2. So there must be some code of tree which must be present in both these codes. So 3 is the number which is present in both the codes. So from here we can say that the code of tree is 3. Here also the code of tree will be 3 only. Now we need to find the code for D. Now D is present here as well as here. So we need to look for a number which is present in both the codes. So the number is 5 basically. From here we can say that the code of D is option C, that is 5. Question number 56, again based on coding decoding only. Now popular, Popular, popular is coded as QPQVMBS. Now see, Q is the next letter after P. So this is basically +1. OP again +1. PQ +1. UV LN. So the logic is very clear. The logic is very simple. This is of +1. Now we need to find the code for. Okay, the code is given GBN PVT. We need to find the word जिसका ये कोड होगा. तो यदि हम यहाँ पर +1 कर रहे हैं तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जाने में हमें -1 करना चाहिए, राइट? So what comes just before G is F, before B is A, before N is M, before P is O, before U is this is V in fact I think. This is V. So before V is U and before T is S. So the word was famous. Option B is the correct one, right? Now question number 57, again based on coding decoding. If white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, and so on. Now the question is, what would be the color of human blood? Now human blood, as we know, is of red color, but then in that particular language red is called as yellow. So if we want to indicate red color, so we will say yellow in that particular language. हम उस particular language में yellow कहेंगे, right? So the correct answer is yellow. Fine. So last 3 questions. Now see, this is more of a verbal part rather than reasoning part. So what we need to do in these questions is we need to read this paragraph given, and then we need to check for the 3 sentences that are given to us. हमें ये देखना है कि जो given sentences है वो definitely true हैं, वो probably true हैं, या फिर हम कुछ comment नहीं कर सकते, data inadequate है, या फिर वो definitely false है. Now first of all, let us read this information. In the commodities, business size does matter. Sorry. This is common wisdom. The Indian sugar industry is the second largest in the world after Brazil. Has traditionally been fragmented, which led to widespread sickness and large number of mills going bankrupt. A situation exacerbated by a slew of government controls, which are meaningfully getting diluted since August 1998. It's now been more than 14 and a half years since the industry was declinized. No official permission is required either to build a new factory or for brownfield expansion plan, except that there must not be any violation of command area norms. Even then, there are not many who have the capacity to play the volumes game at the cyclic sugar business. Now, after reading this particular information, we need to answer the question. So, first question is, India has not yet been able to consolidate its firm stand in international sugar market. Now, see, as we have seen in the paragraph that it is already given that Indian sugar mills are going bankrupt and not many people are joining the businesses. So, statement first is definitely true, we can say. So the correct answer is definitely true. That means option A is the correct one for this. Now let us move to the second question. At present, the Indian sugar industry has been made considerably free from government controls. Now it is also definitely true because it is mentioned that no official permission is required to establish the business now. तो कोई additional info आपको permission required नहीं है. That means it is free from government control. This is definitely true. So again, A option should be the one. Now last question. Prior to 1998, Indian sugar industry was considerably lower in world ranking of large nation. Now see, it is false. As जबकि ये दे रखा है question में, it was the second largest industry in the world. Fine. So this statement is definitely false. So the correct answer to this question is option D. Fine. So this was all about the reasoning section of NCHM CT 2015 paper. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Thank you.